You already knew that you have to delete the default cube at first. So delete it. Press Shift A. Then go to Mesh. Then add a cylinder. Scale it down up to your satisfaction. Then grab it on Z-axis by pressing G then Z. Then go to Front View. Then press Tab then select the down vertices and scale it inside. Adjust the upper part also. Press 3 and select the upper phase. Then press X and delete the phase. See, the face is already deleted. Now the glass is totally empty and thin now. So we have to increase the thickness of the glass or whatever you call it. Increase it up to your satisfaction. Applied so that loop cut's gonna visible to inside also. Now go to Add Modifier Property. And add a Subdivision Surface Modifier. You can see that it looks so disgusting. And if you want to fix it, you have to add some loop cuts by pressing Ctrl-R. And move them down into the upper portion. You have to do the same with inside part also. Add a loop cut to the edge of the glass also to give it a little bit of finishing. Now it's time to fix the lower portion of the glass. Select the down edges and fill them by pressing F. Then insert them by pressing I. And moving the mouse. Now it's time to add the water. But remember, don't drink it. Kidding. Add a loop cut to the middle inside part of the glass. Then select the down as by pressing Shift right-click mouse. Then fill it by pressing F. Then insert it by pressing I. Now adding water is done. Now we have to transparent the material. Now shade smooth the glass. To give it some smoothness. And it gonna give little bit of realistic look at the end. Go to the shading property. Then select the glass of water. Then increase the transmission so that it gonna be transparent. It gonna give the transparency in rendered property when you turn on the cycles in rendered view. Now add a plane by pressing Shift A. Then scale the plane. And give it a color. You can use the same color that I am using here. You can choose your own color also, that's not a problem. Boom. Now it's time to add the lighting. I am gonna show you a better position to set your lights, so that it would look too realistic, so watch till end. You can even see the previous videos that I uploaded on YouTube. Some of them are for beginners, but I must say that you're gonna like them. They are also simple tutorial as this. Is not this tutorial simple for you? Let me know in comment box. You can even talk and text with me directly by using Telegram. The link of the Telegram chat is in the About section of my channel.